Your entrance hallway is the first thing you and your guests see when you enter your home. It sets the tone for the rest of your home. It shows your style and personality. But what if you have a tiny entryway that feels cluttered and cramped? How can you make it look brighter, bigger, and more inviting? Watch this video. Here you will find several creative ideas, tips, and tricks to help you transform your small entryway into a functional and stylish space. Hi, I'm Lulu and I'm your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Before starting my presentation, I warmly recommend you read the article on our website. You will find the link in the video description. So, if you are ready, let's get started. We have prepared for you around 40 smart and creative ideas for these entrance ways, from simple ones to more sophisticated with an elegant touch. This tiny hallway is a study in contrast and simplicity. The light gray walls create a neutral backdrop that makes the space feel airy and bright. The narrow black chest drawers add a touch of elegance and provide ample storage for shoes, accessories, and other items. The mirror above the chest drawers reflects light and creates an illusion of depth. The hooks on the wall offer a convenient place to hang coats, hats, and bags. The tiny hallway is a welcoming and functional space that showcases the homeowner's styles and personality. This tiny entryway is a cozy and inviting space that showcases the homeowner's taste and creativity. The white walls and hardwood floors create a clean and warm canvas that contrasts with the colorful and textured elements. The small bench is a practical and comfortable piece that offers a place to sit and put on shoes. The bench is also adorned with decorative pillows that add some flair and personality. The modern painting on the wall is a striking and eye-catching focal point that adds some drama and interest. The tiny entryway is a charming and stylish space that welcomes the guests and the homeowners. Here you can see a tiny entrance hallway with brilliant white walls, a closet with mirrored doors, and storage boxes on the shelving system. The white walls create a bright and welcoming atmosphere, while the mirrored doors of the closet add depth and reflect light, making the space feel larger. The storage boxes on the shelving system provide ample storage space for belongings, keeping them organized and out of sight. This entrance hallway is quite small and has a metal door with a narrow glass window. The door is painted in a darker shade of gray that matches the lighter gray color of the walls. There is a phone buzzer on the wall that visitors can use to announce their arrival. The hallway has hooks on the wall that to hang coats and bags. There is also a narrow cabinet to store shoes and other items. The hallway is decorated with a round mirror beds and lanterns. The mirror is placed above the cabinet and reflects the light from the lanterns, making the space feel brighter and more open. The entryway is small and cozy with custom-made furniture that fits perfectly in the space. There is clothes hanger on the wall to hang coats and bags, and a rattan basket on the shelves to store shoes and other items. The furniture is made of high-quality wood and has a beautiful finish that complements the decor of the space. The entryway is well lit with natural light streaming in from nearby window. The walls are painted in a light shade of beige that adds warmth to the space. The overall effect is a welcoming and inviting entryway that is both functional and stylish. This entranceway is compact and well organized. The stairway is located on the right side of the entrance. There is a clothes rack with hooks for hanging coats, hats, and scarves. Below the clothes rack, there is a small shoe shelf that can accommodate several pairs of shoes. There also is a large wall-mounted mirror that reflects the natural light coming in from the entrance door. Please continue to watch our video. You will find other amazing design ideas for tiny entrance hallways. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.